Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Today we're building a no-bake graham cracker cake layered with whipped cream and fresh fruit. Craving dessert without turning on the oven? A graham cake is your new best friend. This no-bake graham cake tastes like an ice cream cake, yet it sits in the fridge. Think like whipped cream, sweet graham crackers, and fresh fruit. You might know it as mango float, icebox cake, or graham cracker cake. This video explains what it is, why it works, and how to make it step by step. You will get a simple mango float recipe, easy swaps, and make-ahead tips. Expect clear guidance on how it sets, how to slice clean, flavor ideas, and how to store your cake for later. What is graham cake? Ingredients, texture, and why it works. Graham cake is a layered, no-bake dessert that uses graham crackers and a creamy filling to form soft, sliceable layers. The texture lands between tiramisu and an ice cream cake, creamy and cold with tender cookie layers. It tastes rich but not heavy, sweet but balanced. You build it in a pan, cracker layer by cracker layer, with cream in between. The magic happens in the fridge. The crackers drink moisture from the cream and soften, so the whole thing becomes cake-like. No baking, no fuss. The cream mixture is simple. Cold heavy cream all-purpose cream gives body. Sweetened condensed milk adds sweetness and a silky feel. Vanilla or a pinch of salt rounds the flavor. Add fruit for brightness or cocoa and coffee for a mocha twist. It is an easy canvas for whatever you like. A big reason this dessert works is how the fat in the cream sets when cold. The fat firms up, the crackers hydrate, and the layers stay put. A chilling period gives you clean slices with neat stripes. Core ingredients explained. Graham crackers, the dry, sweet base that turns tender as it hydrates. Heavy cream or all-purpose cream provides body and a whipped texture. Sweetened condensed milk, sweetness, gloss, and structure. Flavor, fresh fruit, cocoa powder, instant coffee, or chocolate bits. Balance, a pinch of salt or vanilla to keep it from tasting flat. Simple swaps. Stabilized whipped cream or Cool Whip for convenience. Coconut cream for a dairy-free option. Evaporated milk is not a swap for condensed milk, since it is not sweet or thick enough. Use either graham cracker sheets or a light grind of crumbs. Sheets give cleaner, defined layers, while crumbs make a softer, cake-like feel. How the layers set in the fridge. As the cake chills, the crackers absorb moisture from the cream and soften. That hydration creates a tender bite, almost like a sponge cake. The cold also firms the fat in the cream, so the cake holds shape. Chill at least 6 hours. For the cleanest cuts and best texture, chill overnight. Popular versions around the world. The Filipino mango float is the most searched style. It is classic, bright, and perfect for hot days. In the United States, icebox cakes use the same idea with wafers or cookies. Crema de fruta is custard and fruit for a richer take. Common fruits include mango, strawberry, and blueberry. For non-fruit, try mocha, cookies and cream, or all chocolate. Choose ripe but firm fruit for clean layers and less juice. Tools you need in quick prep. Pan, 8 by 8 inch or 9 by 13 inch. Hand mixer or whisk, mixing bowl, spatula, plastic wrap. Line or lightly chill the pan for easy slicing. Whip the cream very cold. Pat fruit dry so layers stay crisp and neat. Next, we'll explore flavor variations and how to store your cake. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.